Sunday. Sasha, I want you to go ahead and step right in.
Oh my God.
See,
oh my God.
Look at how much taller you are to me. Is this exactly? Okay.
Oh, hold on. Here we go.
There you go.
Yeah.
You have to go to Elita height.
Okay. Yeah.
So you look fantastic. So,
thank you.
like I said, you'd want to do the reveal. Don't cover the maps because
Absolutely
our viewers
not. No,
will
here
start
we go.
to. So they're
I'm sashaying.
Sashaying. There you go. It's a little bit of a dance.
Yeah.
Yes, and then we move on to our high deserts. What do you see for our high deserts this weekend?
For our high deserts, I see a lot of sunshine.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very nice.
Right over here, you see some sunshine. This doesn't look so good, but over here, yet again, a little overcast. I see some warm weather, hot weather over here, windy down there. How am I doing so far?
You are doing awesome.
Oh,
Can we
wow.
give it up for Sasha?
Thank you so much. Cross that off my bucket list. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, it's time for Foodie Friday, and guess what? Sasha's going to be making an appearance over there as well.
Oh my God.